Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the unparalleled potential of 114 Belvedere Drive in St Andrew, Kingston 19. Originally a grand villa, this property has been transformed into a versatile training facility, boasting an additional building featuring meeting rooms and a hospitality area. Enjoy breathtaking views of Kingston's cityscape with vistas stretching from the ocean to the mountains, with 10 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms, plus room for expansion. The possibilities are endless. Repurpose this unique space into a research center, training facility, banquet hotel, or mini conference and retreat center, situated on a sprawling 1 acre lot. Ample parking for 50 cars ensures convenience for guests and visitors alike. Whether you envision a serene retreat or a bustling hub of activity, seize the opportunity to make this exceptional property your own. Don't miss out on this rare gem in the heart of Kingston's vibrant landscape. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1.4 million or Jamaican $215.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.